Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and this is the reading for Gemini for the month of July 2020 in their love matters. And this reading is for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and anyone who is drawn towards this reading. I hope you will enjoy this reading, and cross watchers, they're also welcome here. But remember that energy can be vice versa. Okay, and this is the general reading for Gemini, so it may not resonate with everyone, but take whatever resonates. Okay, so we will just start with your reading and we will clarify side by side wherever needed. Okay, on my left I have your cards, and on my right I have the cards of your person. So let's start with your reading. So Geminis, what I'm feeling here in general, that you have recently, not so far, you have recently met someone with whom you have fallen in love. Okay, this person is someone new, and there is, what I'm feeling from your energy is that the Ace of Hearts, you feel that this person is the one you have been waiting for so long. Okay, and you have declared your feelings to this person. Okay, so maybe not so in clear manner, or it is implied. Okay, so what I'm feeling here is that you have met a soulmate, your soulmate, and you have been waiting for this person for very long, and I see a sudden passionate declaration of love and feelings for someone new. Okay, and I also see that you see this person as the one for you. Okay, and this person is a 10 of cups for you. Okay, you feel like this person completes you in every aspect. Okay, wherever you are incomplete, wherever there is loose ends, this person holds you there and completes you. Okay, so that you are complete together, right? So you are feeling like you have met your soulmate and the love of your life. Okay, and this card is also telling me that maybe you are worried about some issues related to your family or your relatives, about your love life, or maybe this person, but this card assures you that you should trust your family more. Okay, so you should not be worried about that thing, and you should trust your family, that they will understand you and your intentions and your feelings. Okay, so this is what I am feeling in general. What your current energy is telling me, that some of you are feeling sick. Okay, maybe you are dealing with some health related issues presently. Okay, but for some it can be like some sort of psychological love sickness. Okay, maybe you are distant from this person and you're missing them, and that is causing you sickness. Okay, so that can be the possibility, or you can be dealing with some health related issues presently. And in near future, what I see with respect to this relationship is that Gemini, you want to move on with this person. Okay, this person is the Queen of Clubs energy. So you think that this person is a real gem for you. Okay, this person is the one you admire, and inspiring, and quite creative, skillful, knowledgeable, intelligent. Okay, and this person allow you to grow, a sort of mature energy. Okay, and you want to move on with this energy. Okay, the next card, which is there is the Nine of Diamonds, which is telling me that you are really interested in moving on with this person, but you yourself know, okay, you know yourself that there have been many relationships in your past and they always ended like they always had a blind end. Okay, you are not good in building relationships or keeping relationships or taking them into higher commitment till now. Okay, so you are just doubting yourself, and but you have that strong intention of not letting this person go and not letting this connection to go. Okay, so you really want to work on yourself and you want to make an independent decision. Okay, you don't want to take any decision under any force or under any emotions. You want to make a decision in real, taking care of all the practical issues. Okay, and you want to make this a success with this connection and this person. Okay, so this intention is really strong in your mind, and you know that you don't want something ordinary out of this connection. Okay, so what I'm feeling from this card is that you don't want something ordinary out of this connection and this person. What you want and expect is something extraordinary which you have never experienced with anyone in your life till now. But you yourself know that for that you need to make some real efforts. Okay, you need to put into some real efforts and work towards this connection and this person. Okay, then only you will get what you want out of this. Okay, so this is what is going on in your head, Gemini. Okay, so what I'm feeling here is this is what you are thinking. You think that they will love this person and this is the one, the perfect 10 of hearts, unconditional love, really supporting, nurturing kind of person, and you want to make it through. You are missing them. Okay, so this is your energy. Let's see how your person is feeling. Okay, so I have already told you that your person has also started on a new journey, and they have come out of their comfort zone. Okay, so they are also trying, they are also trying to come out of their comfort zone, and I think your person has just started something new, and they have maybe many of you, they have just brought a new change in themselves. Okay, so, and that is a way of getting out of your comfort zone. So they're trying to change themselves. Okay, so that they can start on a new journey with a new person. I think this person has suffered a lot in their past relationships. Okay, and they have been disappointed constantly in their relationships, what I'm feeling from here, and that's why they are now trying to start on a new journey, to change themselves, to come out of their comfort zone so that they can make a success. Okay, on this new path. And this can be you, Gemini. Okay, it can be you, or it can be something in their professional life, right, or in their personality, and how they take decisions, how they treat people, how they something new they are walking on. And currently what I'm feeling that your person, again your person is under the process of transformation. Okay, so maybe your person is trying to heal the wounded part of themselves. Okay, to come out really after a lot of sufferings and disappointments in the relationships. People, they change a lot, and many of their basic instincts, they get changed, so that they never see love like uh, the first again. Okay, so but this person is really working for you. What I am feeling here is that they are transforming themselves, they are evolving themselves. Okay, they are working on themselves so that you can find them someone like fresh and new. Okay, and what I'm feeling here is that you both are working at your own pace. You're also working, you also had some doubts and issues related to commitment. You're not a commitment guy, or you know, it can be male or female, doesn't matter. And your person is also dealing with something. They are dealing with their past traumas. Okay, so you both are dealing with something in your mind, heart and soul, so that you can better accept each other, right? And I think this is a really good and beautiful compromises I am seeing here, in order to not let the other person down. So this is really a heart touching reading I'm feeling here. Your in the immediate and near future of your person, I'm seeing that your person is thinking about you. Your person is having lots of imagination, maybe about future together. Okay, dreams together, but they are still holding on because they are waiting for a message from you. Okay, so maybe you have not made things clear, but we can understand why, because you are working on yourself. So maybe you have declared your feelings but not your intentions and the future perspective, and they are waiting on your messages, so that, and that's why they are holding on to their feelings, whatever they are feeling about you and this connection. Okay, so a really mature reading, I must say. So let's take some divine guidance from the divine and universe. Okay, Gemini, for July 2020 in their love life. So what's the message for Gemini for the month of July 2020 in their love life? Okay, so Four of Spades, which is the card of death. Okay, so this is the clear indication that you both are ending a cycle. Okay, you both are ending a cycle in your life so that you can start a new cycle together. Okay, so I think this is a real good indication of divine and universe that you both are getting rid of your cycles in life which you have been dealing with. When we run in cycles, we really question ourselves a lot, that why is this happening again and again, and why I'm not learning, what's the reason. And it's a real good relief and feeling when you end that cycle finally and you meet someone with whom you create a new cycle, and this cycle is a beautiful one, and you don't want this cycle to end. Okay, so you want it to continue like that. I think that this is the card of recreation, ending something and starting something. So this is for both of you. You're ending something and leaving that thing in the past, and you're moving confidently together after resolving your doubts in your mind, and a new cycle will be created for both of you. Okay, and this is the next card we have is the Five of Clubs, which is this is again breaking the cycles. and a passionate new beginning. Okay, so ending the cycles, breaking the chains, and passionately starting something new. Okay, so a really, really beautiful reading. Yes, the card of star, which is hope and healing. Okay, so you both are healing, you have a great hope for this connection together, and you're enthusiastically moving together and towards your goals. And I think this is the most beautiful card in this reading, and this is the family. Okay, so you both are choosing security, family over enjoyment. Okay, and that's why I am seeing here a lot of sacrifices, which we do only when we have a real goal for a family. Okay, because we sacrifice for our family. So a really beautiful reading. I love this reading. I hope you enjoyed it well, Gemini. A good time ahead for both of you, and particularly Gemini. So love you guys. Till the next video, enjoy, have fun, and God bless you. Take care. Thanks for watching.